Well, it's April 11th, 2022, Boise, Idaho. We got a little bit of snow coming down. But the plum trees are blooming. I don't mind a little bit of snow. We need it. They're estimating that there's going to be a serious drought in southern Idaho this year. They might even close off the canals in August instead of October. So that means it's going to be a real short mowing season and nobody's watering their lawn. So I guess I get off early. Baxter! There he is. You guys want to go for a ride? You go for a ride? You do? Come on, let's get in the truck. Get in the truck. Come on, big jumps. Woo, 4x4. Maggie needs help. I gotta help her. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are.